Ban.
The National Services has issued a tornado warning since 5:37 p.m. It hit it in Talking Tom County, Talking Tom City, and Talking Tom 2 City.
Why does there have to be another tornado warning? This is so unfair!
The National Weather Services issued a tornado warning for Talking Tom County. It has been issued since 5:37 p.m. Please take shelter now, Ben. Ben, you have a tornado warning. Go hide already. Ben, why do you have to mess up me? Just go hide right now.
Ban.
Ben, go hide right now. The tornado will be going 200 miles per hour. Please make sure to go save spots in the basement, bathroom, or closet. Please make sure to also do not go near windows.
Oh my gosh, 200 miles per hour is so fast! How am I supposed to survive in the basement, closet, or bathroom? It's just so fast that I can't even survive at all. Hope I survive. Maybe I should go down the basement. Alright.
It looks like the National Weather Services has seen for Talking Tom 2 counties. It looks like there's a tornado there. And please make sure to go safe spots. Please make sure to be safe, Ben.
The next day.
Ban.
It's 12:47 p.m. the next day. It's over. You can get out of the basement now.
Yes, finally, after one whole day on the basement living here, I am finally out of here. Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.